Yes, indeed. On the fire, stepping beside my fire, warmth and comfortability. Happy Ramadan, baby, because yes, indeed. My Lord just got me. I see you represent that final humble sons of liberty, true north, river, pride, Tanya Maria. Thank you all, Deborah, Cole Briscoe, Ronda Rousey, much respect, Luna Puma. Hope we're doing you proud because you know we're gonna be rocking it. Our own Bollywood show. Bam! Ice T, much respect, Nemo. The Minds MC coming up. April 19th, baby. Both of the days, come. Celebrate what's next. Be unique. Be different. Be unique. My instructions. Everybody's favorite. I would know. It's just good to be the kid. Throw it up. Fuck the world. Fuck the picture. Fuck all those haters. Fuck the police. Fuck the justice. Fuck the world, baby. Because if I'm about the whole Pakistan, that is motherland. I'm home. Let us war dogs bark because they want us to prepare for peace. Well, we're preparing for war, Daddy. So thank you all. Nicole Briscoe, Carla Berea. Appreciate y'all, JD. Brothers and sisters. You know I love you. Appreciate you no matter what. Thank you, Joseph. Thank you, Coach Raver. Coco, Joseph, yes, indeed. Appreciate you, money. Thank you. Appreciate my brothers and sisters out there. Confession. Heart. Soul. That's what I put in there for you. So stay strong, stay healthy on a beautiful time of Tuesday. Hope we're so bad. Who wants to get married in Pakistan? Making passionate love because I got baby making fever to the very end. Keeping her daddy strong all day long. And I hope you're having a beautiful day. No matter where it is in this world. We keep it strong. We keep it passion. We keep it romantic. We keep our spirits with our heart so free. Thank you, Tree. Thank you, Ashley. Thank you, Sunshine. Thank you, Nicole. Thank you, Calibrate. Thank you. Appreciate you all for the bottom behind. Everybody say it out loud. The King of Kings, the Boss of Precious, the Sons of Liberty, True North Earth. Happy Ramadan, brothers and sisters. Because we celebrate what you love. We're one big happy family. No matter your skin color. Love you all. Take care of each other. Rise up together. Hug each other.